Alright, Claire.
How are you?
So, did you do that geography homework?
What geography homework?
One from Mr. Ward.
No, don't do it for him.
Oh. I was just, wondering if you were going to that party.
No, I've got no one to go with.
Well, you could go with me. I mean, just as friends, you know.
Okay then.
Alright, so, the weather.
What about it?
It's not been too good lately, hasn't it?
No, I hope it's sunny tonight.
You taking your top off or what?
Wait.
Are you up Bill?
No, not brought a condom.
No?
Well, are you sure you want to do it then?
Maybe we shouldn't.
Just pretend then. I won't tell your friends. Ah!
Oh!
Hey, Tom,
Oh, baby.
you're doing something in
A bit
there.
harder.
Oh!
I've got an idea.
Oh!
And the pain.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Carry on.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Ah!
Ah! I'm coming. Oh! Oh!
Ah!
Ah! Oh!
Ah!
Ah!
Good stuff.
Oh! Baby. Ta.